How to use Chime for tax direct deposit. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your Chime application or open up a browser and then sign in to your account. After that, you can go ahead and simply tap on the Move Money tab at the very bottom of the screen. And here you will be able to find your routing number and checking account number. You'll need these details when filling your taxes so your refund can be deposited directly into your Chime account. If you are filling your taxes through Chime, you can go to Taxes section. If you don't see it on the home screen, you can open up your profile and then look for Taxes option there. After that, you can simply tap on File your taxes for free and then follow the on-screen instruction. Chime will automatically connect your direct deposit information during the filling process. And once you have finished, you can review tax details and track your refund within the app or in browser. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.